I thought I'd make a little pit stop here at the Klein Boompie over there, because although I'm not desperate now, geez, then I'm going to get caught on the way into town, and then it's even more worse. So gloves are off because it's too hot, and I'm also getting ready for when the getting ready for, so I tried to improve my mapping system yesterday because I still don't have a local SIM card, and that oil is also doing something, by the way, so we're not sure there. But so I try to do it a bit better, so that when I don't have data, anyway, I got offline maps going, so I got all the streets, but I saved some pins on the map for where the turns are. 4 left turns on the way, left. So just using the GPS signal and where those pins are, and I've got it written down on my little piece of paper here in my thingy too. So the first turn, in fact, is left onto Robert Mugabe. So that's what I'm looking out for. Left turn onto Robert Mugabe. Once I think we'll be in Windhoek city limits already. Then left onto Nelson Mandela. Then left onto Sam Nujoma. And then I'm in the residential area, then left, and she should be on the right. It's a little bit better preparation compared to yesterday arriving at Otavi. Because Rundu worked well. So I don't know what, maybe I didn't download Otavi. Anyway, see you later.